Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to Awake Within. It's your guy Alfred. Today, I'm coming up today with another tutorial video on some highest paid side hustle. These side hustle are free. All you need to make money with this side hustle is just either a cell phone or a laptop or a desktop and a good internet connection, and you are good to go. It's free of charge. Anyone can make money on this side hustle, guys. Anyone can make money. So please make sure you subscribe to Awake Within if you are still new here, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload any new video. And don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the tutorial video. So the first side hustle I'm going to come up with is called Study Pool. Study Pool is a side hustle that connect students with tutors. So if you know you are a tutor, make sure you check on this Study Pool. With Study Pool as a tutor, you will earn $5,000 a month working on this side hustle. It's free. You don't have to pay any money. All you need to do is to put in effort on this side hustle as a tutor, and trust me, you will generate passive income. You will not earn less than $5,000 a month. And as a student, if you're sorry and you need answers, this is a site for you, a site that will help you to get more answers from millions of tutors around the world. So guys, let's get down to the tutorial video. Let me show you guys how it works. Go to your browser and type Study Pool. When you type Study Pool, you come to a page like this, and you find a link that said Study Pool Homework Helps. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. And when you have to sign up, so first you have to click on this link, and you come to a page like this one. Yeah, when you come to a page like this one, you click on this place where it said become a tutor. So you click there, you create your account as a tutor, and they will guide you on how to fill your information, because they will ask more information about you. You have to tell them more about yourself. It is very easy, and you fill the information within 3 minutes. You are through. Then let me show you another site where you as a tutor, you will sell study documents on this side hustle, where you will earn enough money for yourself. So you will go back to this site. Let me show you. You will find this some links here on the previous page that said earn money answering sell documents. You click on sell documents, you will come to a page like this that said earn money by selling study documents. Earn up to 5,000 USD, that is dollars, a month. We share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 each time a student views one. So imagine 2,000 or 1,000 students view your documents. Imagine how much you will earn on this side hustle as a tutor. And it is free. You don't have to pay any money on this side. All that required from you is just your effort. They will give you details on how you they will give you details on how things goes here, and their rules here, their system is very easy. It is not complicated. Anyone that is a tutor can do it. So if you're a tutor, this side hustle is for you. So the second side hustle I'm going to come up with is called people per hour. People per hour is a freelance side hustle, but anyone can do it. It's very easy. It's very easy. This side hustle have different type of jobs. It depends on your skill. If you're a photographer, if you know how to edit videos, digital marketing, design, different type of job, if you have any of these skills, then people per hour is for you. So guys, let me show you guys how it works. Okay guys, get down to your browser and type peopleperhour.com. Then you come to a page like this. You find a link that said peopleperhour.com, hire freelancer online. You click on that link and you come to a page like this one. You see they say you are almost ready to start selling. Here you find different type of jobs depending on your skill. Have technology and programming, writing and translation, design, digital marketing, video and photo and image, so on and so forth. Different type of jobs depending on your skill. So this side hustle is for those that are really serious. If you know you want to make money, this side hustle is for you. And if you know you're a freelancer, this side hustle is for you. All you need to do is come here, create your profile, fill your information, you fill the amount you will need someone to pay you when hired, because here you will never lack job. Let me show you guys how it works. You have to click on this apply now. When you click on apply now, you come to a page like this. Say you are almost ready to start selling. You have to fill your information here. Say tell us about you, select your skills, add reference, set your own site reference. You have to fill your information. After that you have to click. After that you come to a page like this. It means you are done. You have to choose what you know do best depending on your skills. So for me, I will choose video and photo. Then you come down, you choose any of these, either professional photography if you are a photographer only, or photojournalist, or videography, or image editor. You choose any. I will choose videography just for this video only, to show you guys how it works. And you come to a page like this. Here are guys that are doing different types of videos, and they put the amount someone will pay them if they hire them. You see, this guy is asking for $165, this guy $995. So you come here on this side hustle, you create your profile, you put every detail about you, how much someone will pay you when hired you. So it is very simple and it is free. Anyone can do it. If you're a freelancer, this side hustle is for you. And the third side hustle I'm going to come up with, make sure you don't forget the last side hustle I promised as a bonus. So make sure you watch this tutorial video from the beginning to the end, so that you won't miss that bonus side hustle. Hey guys, this third side hustle is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancer website. This website is for freelancers. If you're a freelancer, this website is for you. This side hustle is for you. You will generate passive income with this side hustle. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. All you need is just to sign up, get in and create your profile. You put down every detail about you, and you start to generate passive income. Is free of charge. So guys, let's get down to my laptop. Let me show you guys how it works. So get down to your browser and type Fiverr.com. Then you scroll down, you'll find a link that said Fiverr freelancer service marketplace for businesses. You click on this link and sign up if you don't have an account. Then you will, if you scroll down, you will see different links that say start selling, writing and translation. Yeah, because Fiverr have different types of jobs depending on your skills. So when you sign up, when you click on this link and sign up, you come to a page like this one. Here, when you get inside this page, you have to create your profile. You paste how much, you write how much you want someone to pay you when you are hired, depending on your skill. Because here they have different type of jobs like graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio. Fiverr have different type of jobs. So let me click on translation. So if you get down, you will see these guys. All these guys here are translators. All they do, they translate different language to another language, and you can see their prices. If you hire them, they have their prices. If you hire this person, you pay $10, $100, $10, $5. So you have to come in here, create a profile, put your amount. It depends on you. It depends on you. You see, these guys are asking $10, $105. This guy said I will translate your text from English to German. So once you get here, you create your profile. You trust me, you will never lack job every day. So someone will hire you to do some work depending on your skill, and you will generate passive income with this side hustle. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. Let me show you guys how much these videos creators earn. Live action explainer. If you know how to do this, to create videos, you also generate passive income with Fiverr. You see, this guy I create a powerful blockchain. He's asking for $30. I create engaging promotional video. This guy is asking for $50, $10, depending on your skill. If you create your profile, you fill all information, you will never lack job. Someone is going to hire you. This lady, she is creating. I create a live action explainer for you, and she's asking $10,000. So imagine you have your profile and you get hired every day. You will never lack income every day, depending on your skill. And Fiverr is genuine, is free. You don't have to pay anything. All you need to do is come in here, put down your details, and you start to make money. So guys, remember, I promised to come up with a bonus side hustle. This bonus side hustle is also free and genuine. It's just all about music. With this side hustle, you will make money with your TikTok video. The name of this side hustle is Playlist Push, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. Let's get down. Let me show you guys how it works. Get down to your browser and type playlistpush.com. You come to a page like this. You click on the first link that said Playlist Push, playlist music pushing service. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account. So you have to click on that link to sign up. You have to click on the link, this link. You get to a page like this one. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's very easy, anyone can do it. So you come on this tab that said for creators. You click on that, you will find two links: Spotify playlist creators or TikTok video creators. So it depends on you. So for me, I will choose TikTok video creators. I click on that. I will come to a page like this one. You see, they said how to make money from your TikTok account. So with this side hustle, you will make money on this side hustle with your TikTok video, and it will also help to promote your TikTok account. When you get here, you have to, after you read all the information, you scroll down, you click apply, then you come to a page like this. And here you have to click understand, then you continue. So it's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Anyone can do it. It's very easy. So with playlist push, you will make money using your TikTok videos. So if you take this tutorial video serious, make sure you watch this tutorial video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of it so that you wouldn't miss anything on how to make money online using this side hustle. So guys, keep watching. I work for your entertainment. Thanks for watching. Next time I'm going to come up with another tutorial video on how to make money using some 3 mobile apps. These 3 mobile apps are legit and they are free. You don't have to pay any dime. So stay blessed and keep distance. Corona is still out.